Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money to your OnePay card at Walmart. So let's get started. To begin, visit a nearby Walmart location. You can reload your card either at the Walmart Money Center or at the customer service counter, depending on what your store offers. Be sure to bring your OnePay card along with a valid photo ID in case verification is needed. When you reach the counter, let the Walmart employee know that you want to load funds onto your OnePay card. They'll ask you how much money you'd like to add and may have you swipe or scan the card during the process. You can normally pay for the reload using cash, a debit card, or another accepted payment method available at the store. After choosing the amount, hand over the payment to complete the transaction. Reload limits often start around $20 and can go up to $1,000 per transaction, although the exact limits may depend on the location. Walmart may also charge a small reload fee, which is usually a few dollars and added separately from the amount you are depositing onto the card. The exact fee can vary depending on your state or store location. Once the payment is processed, the cashier will provide a receipt confirming the reload. In most cases, the funds become available immediately or within a few minutes. You can then open the OnePay app or check the balance using the phone number listed on the back of your card to confirm the money has been added. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.